Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and welcome to the video of this BMW R Nine T. This one's a 2019 and a 19 plate, from 7,591 miles from new. It's a really clean bike. I think the new owner will be super impressed with it. So with these, use the 1200 boxer engine, obviously a really popular engine because they come in all the GS's, which is a fantastic piece of kit. This one comes obviously upside down forks, at the spokey wheels as well, shaft drive, and it is nice. If you come round here, you will see it has got a titanium SC product exhaust with the carbon end tip. Put my torch on just so you can see it a little bit better. It does sound good as well, so if you rewind a little bit, you'll get to hear it. It's got engine bars also, which are a nice extra. You get a digital display, and then obviously you get the analog rev counter, analog speedo, and you do get ABS and heated grips as standard. Right, they're a cool bike. They sound wicked. Got loads and loads of torque as well, loads of road presence because you don't see many of them about. And I think they're a cool bike. Anyway, if you want to get it bought, get yourself down at Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.